Hello friends, welcome back to Invest with Ara. Today the stock that I have shortlisted is Cupid Limited. Allow me to first tell you about the program. This is an Excel program wherein we analyze the fundamental ratios of companies and arrive at a signal or a decision whether on to invest in that company or not at this point of time. The fundamental ratios that we use are return ratios, efficiency ratios, growth ratios, solvency ratios, cash flow ratios, valuation ratios. Now many of you might be wondering from where we are actually taking these values from. So for that we have this app known as Stock Edge app. This app provides you financial data at your fingertips. So let's analyze this company named Cupid Limited. Okay, we go to Stock Edge app and we put Cupid Limited in the search bar. It is a free app, so advertisements. Now we could see the current market price of Cupid Limited. Now let's first understand about the company. The company stock price is trading at 190.10 on 5th October 2018. Delivered quantity are 48% for October 5. Now we could see here 48.1% for October 5. Now same for October 4 is 39, 33 for October 3, and you could see October 1, September 28, 27, 26, 25. It's around 50 to 60%. So coming on to technicals, we could go to levels and we could check the 52-week high and low level. So here we could see the 52-week high was 423 rupees, whereas 52-week low is 147.10. Now analyzing this, that 190.55 is very much near to 147.1. So we could give it a go because it's on the lower side and it has got an upper play till 425 rupees. Now let's know what does the company do. So under the fundamental tab there is an overview tab, and under overview tab you could see the show profile. Now here we could see the company Cupid Limited was founded in collaboration with world leader Greenmate Corporation and is a leading manufacturer of quality male condoms. Okay. The Cupid manufactures and markets varieties of male and female condoms, water-based lubricants, latex dental dams, and probe covers. Now, understanding the company is into male and female contraceptives, and this is actually good. See here, Cupid has a diverse product basket available in over 25 countries worldwide. 25 countries they have their presence. So overall a good company in terms of the business profile. That was about the business profile of the company. The industry is rubber products and the sector is agriculture. Now under the overview tab you can see the financial indicators. These values, all these values will be putting here to arrive at a decision whether to buy this stock at this point of time or hold on to your investment. Now considering the market cap is 211.07, a micro cap company. EPS is 15.51, so it's good. Price to earning ratio is 12.24. and the industry PE is 20.15. Now we could see here the difference between the industry PE and the PE is it's around 8 basis points, with PE being 12.24, it has got a play of 8 basis point to reach to this level. That is the level of saturation. Book value per share is 63.1. 3.01 is the price to book value. Now the company is also gives you dividend, that is around 2.37, so that is actually good for the company. Face value of the company is 10 and number of shares allotted or subscribed is 1.11 crore. Now we could see with these values here, our program is giving us a buy signal for this company. Now coming on to the return ratios, to have the values of the return ratios, we have to switch from overview tab to ratios tab, and here we could see in the drop down menu the return ratios. Now putting those values here, the return on equity is 28.57, return on capital employed is 42.94, return on asset is 24.17. So according to return ratios, it has given us a buy signal. Coming on to efficiency ratios, we click on the drop down menu and we take the efficiency ratios. Now EBITDA margin here is 35.15, EBIT margin, that is earning before income tax margin, is 32.44, profit after tax margin is 21.20%, earning per share is 15.38. This is the trailing EPS, that we could say that it is the current EPS. Asset turnover ratio is 1.14, days of receivables is 80.49, days of payables is 28.98. now here 28.98 is actually giving a bad signal. Had it been more than 3 months, say 92, it would have given a good signal. 28.98 is the present case. Days of inventory is 27.17, so it is also giving a good signal. Now overall efficiency ratios is giving a buy signal. Now coming on to the growth ratios, under the same drop down menu, click growth. Now net sales growth has decreased, minus 3.64%, so it's bad. EBITDA, that is earning before income tax, depreciation and amortization growth has decreased 18%. Net profit growth has decreased, minus 16.83%, and EPS has decreased, minus 16.83%. Sorry, minus 16.83%. So growth ratios are not giving a signal to buy this stock. Instead, the growth ratios are asking us to hold onto our investments at this point of time. Now the most important aspect for any company is its foundation, that is its solvency ratios. Now under the drop down menu, take solvency ratios. Now first is total debt to equity ratio, which is 0.03. Now when you click on 0.03 here, you could see the total debt is around 2 crores, whereas the net worth is around 65 crores. So 2 crores against 65 crores is a good figure. Coming on to interest coverage ratio, it is 457.16. Now when we click on 457.16, we could see the earning before income tax is 26.15 crores, whereas they are paying interest of only rupees 6 lakhs, that is 0.06 crores. So that is actually good. Now current ratio, we could see it is 5.95, a little higher. According to me, current ratio should be between 1 and 5. Here you could see that current assets have increased to, they have 61.42 crores of current assets, whereas current liabilities is 10.32 crores. Now this much of assets is actually not good, or you could say they have more cash available with them, but they are not using it properly. So that is the reason why it has given a bad signal here. Now coming on to cash flow ratios. Overall solvency ratio has given you a buy signal. Now coming on to cash flow ratios. Cash flow ratios are 3.09, that is cash flow per share is 3.09, and 3.2 is the free cash flow per share. Now considering the business profile of this company, it's into rubber products first. So rubber products are not cash savvy business. Second, they are actually maintaining good free cash flow, so they are not having any problem related to free cash flow. So these are two plus points, so they could sustain themselves even if the market is in bad condition. Coming overall cash flow ratio signal is buy. Now coming on to valuation ratios, it's the same way. We click under the drop down menu the valuation ratios. The valuation ratios, price to earning ratio is 15.44, that is good. 4.02 is the price to book ratio, that is also good. Price to cash flow ratio is 76.89, that is also good. Enterprise value to EBITDA ratio is 9.24, which is also giving us a good signal. And market cap to sales ratio is 3.27, that is also giving us a good signal. So overall valuation ratios has also provided us with a signal to buy. Now let's see what does our main signal says or tells us whether to hold on to this stock or not. So here we could see buy, buy, buy. There are maximum buy, so our signal provided here is for buy. Going further deeper in the company, let's analyze its present condition. So we go to the shareholding pattern of the company. Now when we consider the promoter shareholding, it has remained constant to 44.87, which is a good signal, as promoters, they themselves have faith in the company, that the company is doing good and will do good. The other shareholders, that is a public shareholding, in that FIIs and FPIs are very volatile. It mainly depends upon the market economy and the overall economy of the world. So we don't take that figure, but domestic institutional investors have faith in this company, and even at this point of time wherein Nifty has fallen down more than 1000 points and Bank Nifty has fallen down to more about 3,500 points, still domestic institutional investors are showing a great deal in this company, and the investment has increased. Non-institutional investors are at 54.31%, more than 50%, so that is also good for the company. Now when we come to deals, rather updates, we could see here Cupid has announced to give bonus shares. Board to consider and approve the allotment of bonus shares and other business matters on 13th October. Now they have actually announced bonus shares, and what is the bonus share value is what we could see here. Now see, they have announced a bonus of 1:5. The X date is 11th October 2018 and record date is 12th October 2018. So if you have about 10,000 shares of Cupid Limited in physical form, that is in your demat account, so the company for every 5 share will give you 1 share. So with 10,000 shares you will be getting 2,000 extra shares as in bonus. Also in the news you could see Cupid Limited won contract worth INR 40.09 crore from South African Treasury Department. So they have actually cracked a contract of 40.09 crores, which was on 1st of August 2018. So now considering the earnings season, and they will be publishing their second quarter result in the month of November. So in that quarterly result, this amount will be reflected and is actually a positive points to actually buy this company. So now we have three factors. First is the bonus shares, the result that they are going to announce in the month of November, that is the earnings season, and the company being good. We could consider an investment in this company at this point of time and have a good appreciation of our wealth. Hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Also, if any one of you want to analyze a stock based on this fundamental ratios, you can write in the comment section below, and I'll try to put as many stock into this program and provide you with a clear view of whether to buy the stock or to hold on to your investment at this point of time. Thank you.